Another episode of Cooking with David Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made these crunchy wraps. They're like Taco Bells, but better. More cheese, more crunchiness, and more meat than anything. Anyways, follow along.
Start off with our beef hamburger patty, or not hamburger patty, but we're going to grind these down. We'll come back to this in a little bit. Okay. We'll come back to that in a little while. I'm going to add in the taco seasoning mix. We took it off the burner until we get this added in. Okay, about it. Oh. Okay. 3 to 4 cups of water. Add it in with it. Okay, we'll put this back on the water over here. Kind of use this masher to get all this incorporated in. You want to get this all the way real good to get that taco seasoning flavor all over your meat.
Thing we're going to do, we're going to start with the bottom part. We're going to put the cheese on this, place it on this in the center of that. Okay, we're going to place a little bit of meat on this. Okay, about like that. Place on here. You're going to put some sour cream on the top of this. That's a lot. Okay. We're going to place some chopped up tomatoes. We're going to put some cheese on this. Last but not least, we're going to put some guacamole. Put one more scoop on there. Alright, that'd be good. Okay, I would show you how to do it, but it takes 2 hands to do it. And that's what it looks like right there. We'll be flipping it in here in a minute. That brown on that side. Okay, look at that. My country wrap. We're going to do a taste test on this. Alright. Usually you need 2 hands for this, but I'm going to try 1 hand. Alright, there we go. Oh my lord. That is so delicious. So very delicious. Anyways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all my notifications to all my videos. Anyways, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.